Morning, everyone.
Morning.
Here with my friend Cole.
Hello.
You may remember from the London trip we all did together. I'll put that in the top. We're the Big Apple today. It is my final day of being quote-unquote unemployed. And Cole, well, we won't say what Cole did today. We don't want to get him in trouble.
What the hell are you talking about?
But we're both not working today, in between jobs at the moment. So we're going to enjoy a beautiful day in the city. We're going to check out some spots in Brooklyn for an apartment. Isn't that right?
Hard to see what's going on with Williamsburg.
Check out Williamsburg, put on our little hipster hats today. Check out Greenpoint and show you guys around, so stay tuned. Found a Bentley over here, guys.
Watch where you're walking.
Oh shit. How much do you think that goes for?
I think it's like 200-300K.
Something like that.
I mean, if it's a Mulsanne, I think, right?
I have no clue. But if you guys keep subscribing, maybe we can get one from Vlog one day. So, Cole, you want to tell us what we're doing today? We're going to Bryant Park right now.
Yeah, we're in Bryant Park hanging out. We're going to go, what are we taking, the F?
Taking the 7 to the G.
7 to the G. Starting up in Greenpoint, going down to Williamsburg. And we'll see what happens, see what we find. Kind of just exploring, no real plan.
Should be fun. Stay tuned. So guys, behind me here, this bathroom, there's a massive line. I'm gonna put a photo up for it. The reason there's a super long freaking line for a bathroom, which is like, it sounds absurd, is because it's one of the cleanest ones in the entire city. It's actually privately owned, I think. I don't know how, like someone privately owns a bathroom. So all these people are just waiting to like do number 1 or number 2, which is interesting. What do you think, Cole?
I kind of want a smoothie.
What do you think, Cole?
Dude, the mural's kind of crazy. Like, they got statues up there, too. I don't really know how they put those up, though. It's kind of tough.
Maybe Michelangelo did it.
Bruh. I don't think it was Michelangelo, I'll be honest with you.
So guys, a little tidbit about Grand Central, and I'll pull up some photos, but before, I think like the 1940s, 50s, there would be beautiful rays of sunlight that would cut into the terminal because there weren't many buildings obstructing the area. The main one is the MetLife building, which before was the Pan Am building, like the airline. I'll also put a photo up of that. It was kind of obstructed those views, so it's still gorgeous, but if we had the chance of seeing it 60 or 100 years ago, it would have been quite the sight. Architectural beauty, and Penn Station looked like it too, but now Penn Station's kind of a shithole. But it is what it is.
Yeah.
Rip. Alright guys, welcome to Queens, NYC. I have no idea where the hell I am right now, but we're going to try to get to Walkin and head down to Greenpoint and get started. So we got to go up there. And then when we go up there, we're going to get to Greenpoint. We're figuring this out.
Be careful, you're breathing in a lot of brake dust right now.
Try to make it through the video. Hell yeah. Alright, let's go up this way, guys. Alright guys, we're walking now. Got a cool New York City skyline behind me. We're on the Pulaski Highway, walking into Greenpoint. And may have shared earlier in the video, but we're just going to be walking around, you know, enjoying ourselves, so stay tuned for that. Hope you're enjoying so far, but also kind of on the market for an apartment, a 2-bedroom. So this isn't going to be an apartment tour video, but if you're interested in those, for some reason you're trying to make the move to the city.
If you have an apartment for rent, email Sean at Jablon at gmail.com.
Yeah, that'd be great. If you have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath available, preferably under 4K a month, that we're going to split.
Preferably?
But definitely. Definitely under 4K a month. Check out this beautiful view. That's gorgeous, guys. I mean, come on. That's pretty hype.
Buy one.
We could just buy a yacht, actually. You know what? Yeah, you know what,
It's
guys?
probably around the same price.
Yeah, fuck the apartment. Let's just get a yacht. Look at that. Hell yeah. Get a Greenpoint, everybody. We're gonna walk around, maybe get some food, a little snack, and explore the area, and bring you guys along. Here we go. Wow. So guys, here in Greenpoint at the moment, and this area, it's also known it's a big Polish-Irish population. It's pretty cool because those are my ethnicities too. So it's definitely an area we're trying to check out. There's a great club me and Cole went to. It's called Warsaw, like the capital, obviously. They sell pierogies until like 3 a.m. So if you're a big raver and want a pierogi and you're at Greenpoint, go to Warsaw. Highly recommend.
Hey Siri.
Try that.
Text Annie. What?
Got some margs, chips, and guac. Hell yeah. Cheers, man. All right, guys, we just got some 2-for-1 margs, some tacos. Cole got a burrito.
Fucked up.
Highly recommend that place. I'll put it.
Right now.
He's not actually drunk. There's no way. He had like 2 margs. If he's drunk, then.
I mean, there's a little flea market.
Oh, yeah, a little flea market up here. Maybe we'll check that out for you guys. Just keep enjoying the day.
Yeah,
here we
check that
go.
out for you guys. We'll hook you guys up.
Here we go.
Oh, that's what it's.
Nice little flea market, guys.
See what we got going on.
Check out some clothes. Want to take a peek? Some jewelry here. Plushies. Good stuff. Nice mirror.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's the one.
Anything suit you?
They got West Virginia, Harley.
You got any Delaware stuff?
Canada.
Canada. Some good stuff here.
Maybe find a Ramsey High School one.
I don't think you'll find that here. Got some goodies here, guys. There are some goodies.
When they saw me, I swear to God, I started yelling, bang, 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 and everybody,
Sick
Little
Green
Green Bay.
Packers, yeah.
Little Packers merch. Not too shabby. Seem to always end up at a flea market with Cole.
What makes you say this?
Because we saw one in London too. Alright guys, that was a cool little flea market we stopped at. Saw some cool stuff, just a little pricey, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, especially
They have
because
nice stuff, though. They have the good jackets.
But walking through a nice park now, headed to good old Williamsburg. The hello. Headed to Hipster Central, as they would say, which I guess makes us hipsters too, because we're going there. We're gonna check it out. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. Keep going. So guys, in front of us here, above that overpass where I was filming before, that's the M, J, and Z subway lines, I believe, and that's some of the only few. You could actually take the subway above ground. You could actually go over the Williamsburg Bridge. I think there's a great view of the East River and the Brooklyn Bridge surrounding, so highly recommend. I'll get a shot here for you again. See it passing by there. I've never done it myself, but it has really cool views from what I've seen and what I've heard, so definitely recommend if you're in Williamsburg or if you're going into it.
Williamsburg. Oh, dude, I accidentally took this train. I got on the wrong train and it brought me here. I had to go back around and go to change from the M to the F. I accidentally got on the M. I really fucked myself over there. That sucked.
Well, don't do that, guys. Little tidbit too, in front of me here, as you can see that Peter Luger Steakhouse. Very famous steakhouse in Williamsburg, cash only, very historic. I think it's been here over 100 years. And just highly recommend if you're around. All right, guys, quick vlog from the bathroom. Kind of unorthodox, but just got some coffees. We're gonna rent some Citi Bikes again over the Williamsburg Bridge and try to get some videos for that for you guys. May include it there, may not, but stay tuned. Here we go. Got our bike. Cool, got our bikes. Got electric ones, guys. It was look at that view.
What were you saying?
Say, look at that view. That's gorgeous. What do you think? Not too shabby. Ripping the vape. Gorgeous, guys. Gotta say, we are vibing. Yeah, don't climb on the barbed wire. Wow, that's spectacular. Can't beat that. Absolutely gorgeous. God damn. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Guys, we just pulled over real quick on the bridge. What?
Sugar factory?
Oh yeah, guys, we got Domino Sugar behind. You guys heard of it. If you're outside the States, probably not. But check this view out. I mean, this is crazy. You got the fence in the way, but like, you get the idea. You got the subway, all the bikers.
I think you can't move it.
Yeah. All right, guys, signing off. Cole, it's been a good one. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Going over the bridge, checking out Brooklyn with us, and see you guys in the next one.
Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that nonsense.
Yeah.
Peace.